forever, ever hold a never mind. Oh,
Hey Virgos, how are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soul's Tarot. So today on Soul's Tarot, we are pulling out a general prosperity spread. Your career message is really for the rest of July. The abundance that is coming your way. It could resonate in any dynamic, personal, professional. You can take it the way it comes to you. There is no clock in the universe, as we all know. Righty? So my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look, like, and subscribe to the channel, please. That would be nice. And my new joiners, I welcome you. Thank you for being here. My old joiners, thank you for being here with me and giving in the love that you're sending. And I'm not offering personal readings for now, but thank you for connecting on Twitter. And we have Observer, Virgos, yay! Stability, security is what has been a question. Now you're putting into perspective everything. You are saying that I am going to observe everything. Let me see. It's more like nap time. And using your own glasses to see things more clearly than someone telling you. Okay? So, let's see what is the tarot advising going forward. Then I'm going to explain this with the Observer card here. What are the messages we need to see for my Virgos going forward? Do watch your Sun, Moon and Rising, guys, as I dabble into Vedic and Western astrology both, okay? Cross watchers, use your inner compass as you watch the reading. There is someone who is very faithful and very lucky for you around you, Virgos. Pay attention. Okay? That's the message for some. Let's see what are the messages we need to see for my Virgos. Michael, Blueberry. What are the messages we need to see for the rest of July? The general prosperity messages in regard to their career, dynamic, or whatever dynamic this plays in. Six of Cups, soulmate energy, or maybe like connecting with yourself one more time, being the observer, sitting, watching, thinking, re-evaluating. Okay, saying that I'm gonna take onus for whatever it is. I'm gonna watch certain things, whether it's in regard to someone who hasn't been fair to in the past, or your people, your friends, family at work, all of that. Your future plans also you're kind of contemplating as to how you want to go forward for some. It's about going slow, really, I feel, and saying that I'm not in a hurry anymore, and I have nothing to prove to anybody because I know what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do. With the Nine of Wands, it's about like your experiences that you've had, really, and you're saying I've got my boundaries up, okay, and I will not allow anybody to trespass it. Because now I am kind of sitting around watching, trying to put everything into perspective and understand what happened and for what it happened. Okay, so this kind of approach has a big role in regard to your success which comes your way going forward. What else we need to see for my Virgos? There would be people who are not having good interest for you, but they act as if they love you way too much. Be very careful of such people, okay? Because they are not doing that to you. They're just not doing that to you. They're too many, I can't have them. Okay? So be very careful of such people. Salt and sugar are quite the same. Exactly. With the devil, the temptation, you might fall for somebody or you've fallen for somebody like that. And the advice is screaming that, be careful. Have this approach on. Still be in the observer mode. And observe the people that you have right now. Like right now, currently in your situation playing. Queen of Pentacles. Exactly. With the observer kind of vibe, this is again could be your energy which is coming around in play. or could be a co-person of the similar understanding. Just take the advantage of this time and all that you've gained over the period, okay, in regard to your work, that you've earned respect, you've earned the money, you've earned the name, for some, okay. Just pay attention to all that, sit down, watch while going forward. These Nine of Wands are up. Why? Because you've had the Three of Swords, like something did not work out well. One sec, let me have water. Yeah, so this Three of Swords is basically screaming out loud that, it's the most advantageous thing that happened to you in regard to work. I'm really talking right now, okay? That whatever didn't pan out in your favor, don't regret it, because you've had your learning and you see things in a much clearer light now, and that is what brought you in the state of an observer, to clear your glasses, like, with a glass cleaner, and say, what, I'm going to do it. And you don't stand conflicted anymore, because you're sitting down now carefully, and you're trusting the spirit timing, and you're saying that, I am very neutral currently, and I know what has to come my way shall come my way. Your goals, your aspirations are all related to the timing, okay. And with the Emperor, that goes on to say that you are and you have come around with the cycle, because something hit you big time, okay, with the Judgment at the bottom. So let me just sum up this reading for you in regard to how this plays out for the rest of July in general prosperity, abundance, career, love, message, whatever you may take it. So it's really about not focusing on people. It's really not about focusing on conditions, on the environment. It's more about focusing on yourself, for one, okay. It's also about to understand that, whatever finances, whatever pentacles you're thinking about, or you wish to invite, you want to invite, you have finally made peace with it, that I'm going to use my lens and I'm going to take my own sweet time, and then I'm going to march ahead. I will not march ahead unless I'm very confident, sure that, this would bring in the sun for me, okay. Because if I invest and if I give my time, space, energy, whichever way, it might not turn out, or it might not pan out the way I expect it to pan out, right? So you have all the help and support from a friend who could be like a soul tribe, right? And with the Emperor, you're in this energy, from the Devil to the energy, Capricorn energy to this energy. It is really about knowing you and your worth. And this could also be about like inviting a soulmate kind of connection in your life, which is probably coming. Full moon in Aquarius is down the corner. Let the miracle unfold, guys. Virgos, okay. And I see amazing stuff coming your way. And when I say that with very strong intuition, because when I receive these goozies or goosebumps, they're more like confirmation, like spirit telling me that, of course, bang on, it's just around the corner, okay. Keep exploring, keep considering, keep evaluating, and know that what you're seeking is, of course, seeking you, but you don't have to run after it now. That's how I see it for you. And you'll have a much improved collaboration, much improved work understanding, much improved understanding in every dynamic, really. Wow, amazing. So let's see what we have in regards to the divine direction. Do not react, Virgos. At times, you give the person some space and time, but then you get aggressive also for some. Don't do that. Don't just do that. Have patience. It's a virtue, right? some of you are dealing with court related matters, guys. Okay, that's what they're telling me. Let people play the game. You know exactly how you need to pull this off. Pay attention, have the right lawyer in place, and get things done. Settle the dispute, I think, out of the court. That's what they say. They try and settle the dispute, or whatever matter is troubling you, just settle that out of the court. Let's see what is the divine direction you need to see. Have faith. That's, oh God, too many. Have faith. That's what they show me. That whatever you're holding on to and you waiting to come towards you is surely coming towards you, and you will make the right move in the right time. Pay attention to health as well for some. So they're saying that you would be moving soon, being the observer, being in that state right now, watching with the Nine of Wands energy. You would be going forward towards the move direction, and it's about getting up and getting active and knowing that wherever the universe is going to take you, your deities, guys, are going to take you. That is where your miracle is going to unfold. Okay, so I hope this resonates, and do give us a like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity, bye.